This guy is a genius craftsman. If I hadn't seen his creative work, I wouldn't have thought a used brake disc could be utilized in such a clever way. He inserted a pair of screws into the pre-drilled holes. He welded them in place and carefully drilled a small hole, through which he mounted the two pulleys. He tests the overall flexibility. He also reproduces a curved mark on the two square tubes, so that he can quickly cut the required angle, just so they fit snugly against the sides of the brake disc, horizontally welded to form a rectangular frame. Then take the other square tube. Using an angle grinder, we cut it into a pair of V shapes, bend them over each other, resting vertically on the base frame, as a structural pillar and handrail, until it is welded in such a way, and the rectangular frame is mounted horizontally in this position, and using a perfect 45-degree angle beveled support. And weld a pair of flexible casters on the bottom. Then it's just a matter of applying a nice coat of paint to ensure aesthetic appeal and rust resistance. When the man is back on the pulleys, as well as threading the holes for the fixings, he installs the two thick plates individually. It's here that he finally realizes a scrap brake disc converted cart is complete. It's simple in form, and it looks very solid, and it's really lightweight for daily use. I really admire the man's craftsmanship. What do you think of this cart? How would you rate it?